welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do another product review and I'm going to do a protective hairstyle. So for the product I'm reviewing is Simply Natty's Tallow Hair Pomade. I used this product last week and I liked it, so I have no negative things to say about it. I mean, I have one issue of improvement, but otherwise everything about it I like. For instance, I like how the cream is very thick, so when you put the cream on you have to be very careful, because if you grab like a scoop of it, it can easily just fall off your hand because it's very thick. And I appreciate that because I know that it will last longer on my scalp no matter what I do. It's like a sealant on my scalp to protect it as I do anything throughout the week. So I appreciate that. So let's talk about what's inside of this pomade. We have vitamins A, D, and E, which is good for hair growth. We have antioxidants, which is also good for hair growth. Fatty acids, it helps control the water loss in your hair and gives you a healthy scalp. Repairs, we have these antioxidants and vitamins also repair damaged hair and split ends. There's ginger, which strengthens your hair from the root and follicle. Vitamin E repairs damaged hair, and shea butter adds moisture and shine. So the directions say to apply this every 3 to 5 days. I do my hair once every week, so that's even enough for me. So even if you want to do it like once every 7 days, you can. But I always say you can go with what's best with your hair, or you can go with the recommended times to apply it to your scalp. So yeah, I'm almost finished. Put it to my scalp, and it is like very, very thick. It's thicker than my African shea mix, which is good. And then after I apply it to my scalp, I moisturize my scalp. You always have to moisturize. I mean, not moisturize, I'm sorry. You always have to massage your scalp, always. So now I'm going to start I moisturize the rest of my hair, and now I'm starting my protective hairstyle. So, and also, this product, where I was going to say, is $35. So it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit high on my end of the spectrum. I don't pay that much for a product unless I'm going to review it, but just out of my own pocket just to buy it, no, it's a little bit too much for me. The product is really, really good, and I've always say that if a product is expensive, you're paying for the name more than a product. It's not very likely that you'll pay for good quality product when it's that expensive, but I can say in this point that this is a good product. But I wouldn't pay $35, but I would recommend for somebody else to use it. If they're looking for something to strengthen their scalp and their hair and to grow their hair, then this is a product for you. So what I'm doing as I'm speeding through is I am giving myself twists, and I'm adding the twists like going up. So each row that I do, I'm connecting the bottom twist to the top twist and just making one big twist as I go up. Try to make like a faux hawk going straight up, but making the twist. Bless you. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I'm adding the twist from the bottom and twisting it up, adding it to the top. I've been doing twists in my hair a lot lately, more than braids, except for this protective hairstyle, because twists are more forgiving to your scalp and your hair, especially your hair and your edges. Oh my gosh. Braids, not so much. It pulls more, and you can have more hair comes out when you take it down if you're not careful when you take it down. So now I'm going to do the other side. And there you go. So I did both sides, so you can see some chunky twist right there, because each time I did like 3 rows on each side, and I made a twist up, and then I did 3 twists in the front. 4 twists. Is that 3? That's, yeah, 3 twists in the front. And I left the middle untwisted because you're going to see what I'm doing in a minute. It's kind of like a Vikings hairstyle. I've been watching Vikings for the past like month or whatever. I'm into period pieces anyway. Like before the Vikings, I was into The Last Kingdom on Netflix, which was awesome. Utrecht is the man. But so I'm watching Vikings, and I'm trying to get through that one because there's another Vikings on Netflix, and I just want to watch that one. Usually the period pieces I watch are like from the Elizabeth era, stuff like that, but it's cool. So as you can see, I'm just braiding it straight down, and I'm adding one piece of twist on each side as I move my way down. You have to be careful with the braids because you can't pull too hard. You don't want to give yourself a headache or pull your hair out. If you're looking at my hands, it's just old henna. I had it in my hands for like a week, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm ready for it to come off. I'll probably apply more henna some other time, I don't know. And I'm showing you how it looks from the back. Now mind you, it's like 12 o'clock now. I don't know why I always do my hair so late because it's always quiet, and I can like play in my hair and have fun and not be interrupted with 500 mommies in a row. So the kids are asleep and I can finally do my hair. This is like my me time, my self-care time, I guess you would say. That's the new term this generation. Yeah, all the extras, I just put it right back on my scalp. I just let it dry on its own because I don't want to wipe it off. Alright, so now I am finished. I'm going to let it dry. In the next clip, you're going to see it completely dry and my full hairstyle. I'm just pushing it forward, just giving it a little height. This looks so cute. Good night. Hey y'all, so my hair is completely dry and here are the results. So yeah, that was fun, and I'm into ears lately, so I've always been wearing my ears. These are my mouse ears. So yeah, so that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.